Hello, Calgary, and welcome to Maclin Ford. My name is Tim, and I hope you're having a fantastic day today. Today I have in store this Oxford White 2019 Ford F-150, which CarFax says is an Alberta vehicle with 0 accidents. In the XLT trim, this F-150 comes packaged with the 301A equipment group, the XLT Sport package, and the trailer tow package. Some of the more notable features of this F-150 include power driver seat, heated seats, the Pro Trailer Backup Assist, auto start-stop, and with this touch productivity screen, you are able to control your audio systems, which does include Sirius. It does have a backup camera, so you can see the feed from behind you. Has air conditioning, a 110 volt outlet, 2 USB ports. The fold-out door provides easy access to the back seat, which does fold for extra cargo space if you need to. Thanks for watching this video. Now there is a lot more to show you about this F-150 that can be shown in this short video. So for more information or even to book a test drive, go ahead and click that link below in the description. Now you do get to choose whether you want to come visit us at our store or if you want us to bring this F-150 out to you at your Calgary area home or office. And have a great day.